Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisa. For today's video, I'm very excited to show you guys what I received in the mail. So I was sent two PR boxes from Boxycharm. I know, Boxycharm. I've been doing these unboxing videos for quite a while, and oh my gosh, I'm beyond blessed to be contacted by Boxycharm to receive their November box and be part of their campaign for November. So I'm ready to show you guys what you can be receiving for November box. But also they sent me like an extra box and I'm going to be unboxing with you, which I don't know what it is. But anyways, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box with various memberships. And this one that I'm going to be unboxing today is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size items. And the total value of each of their boxes is usually more than $125 overall. So that's it, enough talking, and let's go to the unboxing. Okay, so the first box I'm going to show you guys is the extra box that they sent me that I don't know what it was because it wasn't the November box. But anyways, this is the box, which is quite a little bit bigger than the regular base box. And I didn't know if it was like a premium or something, but let's just get into it. Okay, when I opened it, I noticed that this theme was from another month, like previous month. I'm not sure what month. Hopefully it says it here, but if not, either way, this is what I got. It's a new box. Okay, it's an unboxing. Okay, so right here it says that Boxycharm and the theme of this box was the Oasis. And then I guess all of the items are here that I received, but I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it and show it to you guys. Okay, so everything is nicely wrapped. The first thing I see here, which I'm very excited, I never received this in my regular box like that I paid for, but this is from Touch In So, and it's the Fill Up Orange palette. Okay, ooh, okay. So it has like a pretty cool design, like the shades are like circles and like different sizes and stuff. It's really cool and cute, and I just can't wait to use it and play with it and see how the pigmentation of this palette is, and tell you guys, hopefully do a video about it of, you know, the products, like a new video trying all these products and stuff. But I'm really excited about this shade right here actually, and it comes with a mirror, so this is really nice. The next thing I have here, oh, let me tell you guys the amount, the price of this palette, and this is actually $32. And at the end, I'm just gonna sum up everything so you guys know, like, this box, how much. I believe either way, they actually do like pop-up store or like add-on store, and you can actually buy boxes from previous months in that. So this is maybe that's to show you something that you could get if you want to get this box, which I'm not sure, to be honest with you, what month this was. But anyways, you guys get the idea. The next thing I have right here is from First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty is an amazing skincare brand, and this is their KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It says an exfoliant corporal. Yeah, I don't know what this other part says here, but I'm going to read it right here. It says First Aid Beauty KP Pump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. And it says, KP Bump Eraser Fast Acting Resurfacing Body Treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin's texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn, scaly areas. And the retail price of this is $18, so that's pretty nice. Next item I have here from Lily Lashes. I love her lashes. This is the Triple X Mascara. Okay, let me see if I open it, and it's in the shade Black. It's a pretty slick design. So you can see here, it kind of looks like their glue, like the design of their glue that they have, their lash glue. So this is pretty similar. I'm not gonna open the actual one to see it. I'm sorry guys, but I have a lot of mascaras opening. And if I don't get to use them, I put it in my giveaway pile to give away to you guys. Or give away to one of my family as well. Next thing I got here, oh, let me see the price of this, sorry. This is $24. The next item I have right here is from Laura Geller. Okay, open this up. I love Laura Geller highlighters, so hope it's this. Well, it says it's a multitasking eye, lip, and cheek palette cream to powder trio. Wow, okay, so eye, lip, and cheek. Oh my gosh, this is super cool. Okay, let's open it up. So it has like a little mirror and then the 3 shades right here. This is like a rosy peachy tone. Then you have like the brown and then the shimmer right here. So, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, I'm excited. This is like a cream actually. Let me read a little bit about it. It's a 3-well multitasking cream to powder face palette, includes 2 finishes, demi matte and subtle shimmer. You can use this for various parts of the body. So, of the face. So that's really, really amazing. And it's actually worth $24. And then, okay, the next and last item I have right here, it's from the brand KAV, K-A-V. And it's their lip liner and lip gloss in the shade Charming. Okay, it's a duo. Ooh, yes, this is my kind of shade color. So this is like a rosy pink. It's really, really cute. It's like a natural color. And then right here is the lip liner in the shade Charming. So it goes hand in hand. Let me open it so you guys can see it. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you very much Boxycharm for sending me this extra box. I'm going to be adding everything. Oh, let me tell you guys the price of this is $40. Wow. Okay, so let me add everything up so you guys can get the idea. So I got $32 for the eyeshadow palette, then the $24 for the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio, then the Lily Lashes $24 mascara, then the KAV Cosmetic Lip Duo $40, and then lastly the First Aid Beauty Body Scrub $18 for a total of $138. Okay, so now that we're done with his extra box that they sent me, let's go ahead and unbox the box that you could be getting for November. And this is right here. It's actually smaller than this box. So let's just see what we got here. Okay, so as I open it, this is what I see. I got right here the theme of the month. It's Harvest. So this is pretty cute because it's perfect for the autumn, November, Thanksgiving, all of these colors and oranges and browns. And then you have everything that I received here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox everything, and then we're gonna be adding up all these stuff and what you could be getting in your box this month. So that's pretty cool. Then right here I have 25% off from Natasha Denona, and feel free to use it. This is the code NDX Boxy. Okay, then I have right here a little welcome card from Boxycharm. This is pretty cute. It says, "Hi love, in an effort to stay compliant, I have to tell you guys that this is gifted." So anyways, let's just go ahead and unbox all these stuff that they sent me. The first thing is from Dior, I believe this is how you call it. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. This is their Essential Lip Enhancer. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so Essential Lip Enhancer, Conditioning Lip Treatment. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me see. I see like a color which is like pinkish tone. So yeah. Let me see the actual description of this. It says, Infused with good for your clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. And this is actually $17. Next item that they sent me is from Earth Harbor. It's Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. It has red algae plus plant stem cells. So it's a skincare item. Let me open it up. God. Packaging. Ooh, okay, so it's one of these strawberry things. Wow, the packaging is really, really pretty actually. I really like it. It's glass. Then let's see the description and the price of this. It's named after, it's named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. It's an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra reparative plant stem cells and a foundation of youth preserving red algae. As Shanton, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, says restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. And the total price of this is $48. So I'm excited to use this and then let you guys know eventually. Also, I'm going to be trying some of these products on my IG, which is at Lismania Beauty. So feel free to follow me and check out all the cool stuff I'm gonna be doing. Next, I have from Bodyography, which is an eye pencil. It's a duo, and this is in, I'm not sure if the color is in here, but it comes in two. I'm gonna open it up to see the colors that I received. Okay. Oh God, this is stuck. I have so much trouble opening packages, especially because when I have like short nails and stuff. Okay, I got one out. So this is in the shade Black Walnut Eye Pencil. Ooh, okay, so it's an actual pencil. I like these for my eyes. I prefer this on my waterline, so that's pretty nice. And then, wait, yeah, oh, I thought it was, oh my God, I read eye pencil, but I still thought it was lip pencil because I have received from this brand before lip pencil, and they're amazing, really, really creamy and perfect to work with. But these are eye pencils. Okay, so this is in the shade Onyx. So it's like a black, yeah. I actually really, really like, I was saying like these. Okay, so next item I have right here is from the brand, oh wait, before I go on, let me tell you guys the price of this duo, which is $16. Okay, and the next thing I have right here is a lip oil. I can't even read the brand. Int Cosmetics, never heard of that brand before. But yeah, I'm not a fan of like lip oil so much. I have a lot, but either way, I'm probably gonna pass it along to one of my friends or like put in the giveaway piles and stuff. But this is nice to get, especially for like dry lips and stuff. I do have like dry lips, but I just have so many lip oils and stuff that I don't know if I'm gonna go through them so fast. But anyways, it says this is the perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. Oh, so it's like a tinted. It says this lip oil can easily be applied on the go or on top of lipstick for an added sheen. The price of this is $11. I might stay with it. I'm not sure. But anyways, and the last most exciting thing in this box is an eyeshadow palette. And you guys probably have seen the spoilers. And this is from Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh. This is actually my first eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. And this is just stunning. Wow, it is so pretty. I don't even want to like do swatches or anything. I just want to like you guys to check this out. These colors are perfect for now, for autumn, for Thanksgiving Day. I might create a look, you know, with this. Of course, I'm going to create a look before, but I'm going to use it for Thanksgiving. So you have all the four mattes, and then you have the perfect shimmer right here, which is like a champagne color. So this is just amazing and perfect. I just love it. I love it. And it says that it's called Peak Palette. So it's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palette, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy mattes and metallic formats from the cult classic Viva Safari Sunrise eyeshadow palette. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And the price of this is $48, so it's an expensive mini palette. So I'm so excited to try this out and see how the pigments work. So anyways, I'm going to be adding all of this up and tell you guys the total price of this box. So the palette, $48. Then you have the Ample Skincare, $48. Then the Dior Cosmetics, $17. Then the Int Cosmetic Lip Oil, $11. And the Bodyography Eye Pencil Duo, $16, for a total price of $140. And remember guys, you only pay $25. So that's pretty amazing. I just love it. And thank you so much, Boxycharm, for sending me my first PR box from you guys. I love everything and I'm so excited to try it out and share it with you guys in my Instagram. So thanks again guys for watching this video, and if you guys like what you see, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber and you like what you see, please subscribe for more. So thank you guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.